Oh, hi guys! I'm BJ Salam.
And I'm our partner, BJ Montana Helena.
And you're watching Baltimore Oriole Chickadee Top 5 Songs for today. Last week, Beautiful Nebraska is our top 1 song. And let's see if it's still on the top 1. So waiting is a no-no. Here it goes.
Are you guys ready? Me too. And also the singer of our top 5 song is really excited to tell the world that he is proud of his own state. And that is I'm from New Jersey by Kansas. I'm from New Jersey in love, and I'm from New Jersey.
Oh, I know you guys out there really enjoyed that song because you need to enjoy that song. Well, I have a question for you guys. Do you experience walking in the road that you feel brand new? Well, me, I don't know if I've walked on that before. And because our top 4 song for today is I Love New York by Sugar Maple Hawaiian. I love New York, concrete jungles where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can do. I love New York.
Oh! You know? Oh, that song is really beautiful, like a scarlet carnation. Whoa, there's a lot of tweets coming from our awesome followers.
Let's read some of them. Our friend from Bismarck, North Dakota says that, "Hi guys, I'm Mistletoe and I always watch your show. It's very cool. Can't wait to see and hear the top 1 song. You guys are great. I love you DJs. I'm your #1 fan." Well, thank you Mistletoe. We love you too, and like you, we're also excited and very and can't wait to find out what's the top 1 song for today.
Oh, there's one sa tapat from New Mexico. Hi, BJ Solomon and BJ Montana. I really love the top 4 song for today. And God bless and more power to your show. Hi, Soto family. I really hope for that kind of power for our show. And thank you for your message. And just keep on watching and don't ever change your channel because I'm pretty sure that you will also like the top 3 songs. And that is Over New York by
Arizona. Over in New Mexico.
Oh,
Over in New Mexico. And this is crazy. And here's my number. So call me maybe.
we're down on top 2 song, and that is Maryland by Annapolis. Maryland, my Maryland, took to the Isle of Maryland.
The waiting is over.
Because we're on top 1 song, and that is
Beautiful